Are you struggling to lose body fat on your legs? That is what this commenter says. What do I need to do for my legs? I have a small stomach and big thighs. I walk a lot. First thing I'd be pointing out is that it doesn't really matter if you are walking a lot. Walking a lot's great. That's not going to like specifically target your legs. So walking a lot is going to lead to you being in a more possible calorie deficit, which is going to lead to that fat loss. That's good. It's just not directly leading to that. So is she doing enough cardio, or is she just walking? Is she just taking steps, which is fine. You could just take a bunch of steps per day and that would get you to your goal for your cardio. But I would see if she could do, for heart health and stuff as well, 3 to 4 times cardio a week, and then making sure to be lifting weights to spare her muscle mass. That is the main thing that I would focus on for her here. She already has a small stomach, which just means the last place for her fat to go is going to be from her legs, just like the last place for you might be your stomach or legs or butt. Wherever it is last, that is where it is going to be most difficult to come off. So just continue that calorie deficit. Be doing enough cardio. The calorie deficit isn't too hard to stick to. If you can increase your calorie burn, then you can also increase your calories, and it's going to be easier to stick to that same calorie deficit, and that's going to lead to a more successful, or more probable successful diet. So, be working out enough, be walking enough, be taking your weight and tracking that, and be tracking all your calories. That is how I would fix the situation. I have an awesome free resource for you that is called the 30-Day Shape Up Challenge. It's 30 days of 4 habits that I run my clients through that is going to help you get a great start to your fat loss journey. And there's a bonus 5th habit in case you fall off the wagon at all. All my clients love it and it's free. So just scan this QR code here or click the link in the description and I'll send that straight to your email.